what is your last meal? Hmm? You remember say you have to pray before you eat, before you go to the road, before you go to your bed. We know so she teach you that, because she teach me that.
Okay, mommy, I go pray. Amen. So, you not gonna eat food too?
No, man. Me eat already before me come here. You eat, man. Help yourself. Little girl, eat up your food. Banana is good for you. You eat a banana look nice, eh? Firm with it. No, man, guys. Eat, man. Go on. If I feed it too.
This tastes good.
Yeah, man. Taste the cabbage.
Mommy, I'm good enough?
Yeah, man. We have a whole heap of last times to make up for. I mean, you know, not only cook for you, but you know, me come and make tidy up the little house for you and everything. Because you're always busy at dance all over the place. Yeah, man. By the way, did you get the money?
You mean the money when you sent me the last time?
No, not that. You send your money after that, man.
Mommy, you know you think you have to buy me. Want me a relationship develop naturally.
That's what I want, Tony. And we hang out and we go out and we eat ice cream and just develop a natural, you know, relationship. But remember, everything take money.
You sound like you have money, mommy.
Money?
Mm-hmm.
Also, remember, I'm the broke and I have no money and I have nothing.
Broke?
Yeah, broke. Aye. Remember, man, broke. When them find out about you, we never run and live like a scavenger. So walk and a bed, yo.
Look, mommy, you're not alright now.
No, you're not alright. Because of you, you're not alright.
Because of me?
Yes, you. When you come in my life, you mash it up. Me live like a scavenger on the road.
Where you... Mommy, where you putting on my food?
If you come in my life, you mash it up. So you know what I'm gonna do? You know what I'm gonna do right now? Take you out. It's soon be done. All the troubles.
How am I get myself in at this? Yeah, how much you said to do the procedure again? 30,000? I'm going to do it. Yeah, okay.